Hello and welcome to the NewsRamp Sports Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, ready to guide you through today's most important stories. NewsRamp.com brings you curated business news from top sources, keeping you informed and ahead of the curve. A quick note before we start. This podcast is created using AI and AI voices, but all the news stories are real, and you can find the complete articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Wednesday evening, May 28th, 2025, and we've got an exciting lineup of sports news waiting for you. So whether you're driving, taking a break, or winding down for the day, let's get right into it. Our first story today is
Newton Golf Company Inc. NASDAQ NWTG releases financial report, business highlights for Q1 2025. Newton Golf Company Inc., listed on NASDAQ as NWTG, has reported a significant revenue increase in the first quarter of 2025. The adoption of the Newton motion shaft by over 30 professionals has contributed to this growth. The company has projected revenue guidance for 2025 to be between $6.5 million and $7 million. With the introduction of its latest shaft family, Newton Golf Company has experienced a triple-digit year-over-year revenue growth. The CEO, Greg Campbell, expressed satisfaction with the first quarter results, noting a 246% revenue increase. This success underscores the performance of the Newton motion shaft. For more information, investors can visit the company's newsroom at ibn.fm/NWTG.
Investor news breaks. Brera Holdings PLC, NASDAQ BREA, celebrates Caledonia Braves' Fenix Trophy victory in UEFA-recognized tournament. Brera Holdings PLC, BREA, is celebrating the victory of its Scottish club, Caledonia Braves, in the 2025 Fenix Trophy, where they defeated FC United of Manchester 3-1. The tournament, recognized by UEFA and known as the Champions League for Amateurs, brought together 16 non-professional clubs from across Europe. Brera Holdings is focused on expanding its social impact football business by developing a global portfolio of emerging sports clubs to provide opportunities for tournament prizes, sponsorships, and professional consulting services. For more information, visit Brera Holdings PLC's website at www.breraholdings.com.
Investor news breaks. Newton Golf Company Inc., NASDAQ NWTG, regains NASDAQ compliance following strong Q1 results. Newton Golf Company Inc., WTG, has regained compliance with NASDAQ Listing Rule 5550B1 after reporting $6.2 million in stockholders' equity in its Q1 2025 10Q filing. Executive Chairman Greg Campbell credited the resolution to the company's financial strength and growing market traction. Newton Golf posted 246% year-over-year revenue growth in Q1 2025, with gross margins reaching 70%, driven by rising adoption of its Newton motion shaft across retail channels and pro tours. Now used by over 40 professional players, the brand continues to expand globally and reinforce its innovation credentials within the performance golf segment. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Sports Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.